Hello everybody. Today we show you how to make Chinese takeaway onion ring. First, cut up your large onion into slices. Roll slice on chopping board. This will help loosen the wings. Now, to make the batter, 1 cup self-raising flour, half teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 cup of water. Now, mix it all together. You want mix really well until your batter looks like this. Nice thick consistency. Now, get your onion ring and dip into the batter. Cover the whole wing. Pop into the hot oil and repeat for all your onion wings. Easy peasy. You want to let it cook until nice golden color. Just keep turning like this. After a few minutes, start to have nice color. Just keep on turning. And there you go. Chinese takeaway. Onion wings. Lovely jubbly. Don't forget to like and follow.